Hello, my name is Michelle. I'm an occupational therapist here at City of Hope. My role as an occupational therapist here is to work with patients after illness or disability and help them recover their independence in occupations of life, which is bathing, dressing, self-care is getting up out of bed in the morning, all the way to daily life skills like working, making meals, doing laundry, even going to school, getting an education. The opportunities in occupational therapy are endless. We work in almost every avenue that I can think of. We work in schools, hospitals, homes. You can learn a lot of additional trade skills that you can add to your education. They include everything from exercise to lymphedema treatment to retraining driving skills, retraining for job skills. My part of my job that I enjoy the most would be my interaction with my patients. I get to meet new people every day, learn about their life, learn about what's important to them and what their goals are, and then I get to see them achieve them. A career skill I think is important for occupational therapy is collaboration. Constantly throughout my day, I'm working with other disciplines, physical therapy, speech therapy, nursing, doctors to form the best care plan for a patient and meet their needs. Another career skill I think that is important for occupational therapy is self-direction, initiative, as we are constantly looking for ways to improve the care that we provide for our patients, whether that's through education, working with coworkers to come up with the best plan for them. An academic skill that I use every day in my role as an occupational therapist is science. I'm using that every day, knowing anatomy, physiology, kinesiology, on the best ways to improve someone's range of motion with their body, with their upper extremities, reaching anything that they want to do in their daily life. Another academic skill that I use every day is reading and writing. I'm reading through medical charts to get information on what is the best treatment for my patient, and I do a lot of writing in the form of documenting the skilled treatment that I provide. And then if there are instructions for equipment or an exercise that the patient is recommended to do, I am writing the instructions for that. If you're looking to become an occupational therapist, the pathway to this career is seeking an accredited college through the Occupational Therapy Association that provides you a master's degree in occupational therapy, and that also includes doing fieldwork placements, which the school helps you set up. If you love to work with people and want to help people, consider a career in occupational therapy and make a difference in a person's world.